Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest debates in the tech world. Is the iPhone 16e really worth your hard-earned cash? Spoiler alert, it's not. The $200 you think you're saving by going with the 16e actually costs you a whole lot more in features. So buckle up as we break down over 25 differences between the iPhone 16e and the iPhone 16 that you absolutely need to know. Let's kick things off with the basics. Apple launched the iPhone 16e as a budget-friendly option compared to the iPhone 16. It might seem like a bargain at first glance with a starting price of $599 versus $799 for the 16, but that price cut comes with some serious trade-offs. Screen and design. The iPhone 16e sticks with the classic notch design we've seen since the iPhone 10, while the iPhone 16 sports the slick, dynamic island that brings a modern, futuristic vibe to your screen. And when it comes to protection, both phones boast the ceramic shield. But here's the catch. The iPhone 16 uses the latest generation, which is 50% tougher than its predecessor. In contrast, the 16e is stuck with the older version. So if you pick up the 16e, you're not just losing that awesome dynamic island, you're also sacrificing top-tier screen durability. Display brilliance. Brightness matters, right? The iPhone 16e cranks out 800 nits in normal mode and 1200 nits in HDR. But the iPhone 16 pushes the envelope with 1000 nits normally, 1600 nits in HDR, and can even hit up to 2000 nits externally. If you're all about that crisp, vibrant display, the difference is huge. Color and style. Style is personal, and while the iPhone 16e comes in a simple glass back with only two colors, black and white, the iPhone 16 offers a palette of 5 stunning options, including dark ultramarine, teal, and pink. More choices mean more personality, and honestly, who doesn't want a phone that stands out? Camera and photography, calling all shutterbugs. The iPhone 16e is equipped with a 12-megapixel wide camera that gives you basic 1x and 2x optical zoom, along with traditional optical image stabilization. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 levels up with versatile zoom options, 0.5x, 1x, and 2x, and a cutting-edge sensor shift stabilization that keeps your shots rock steady, even on the move. Plus, the iPhone 16 packs advanced photography modes. Think improved portrait effects, macro, astrophotography, cinematic mode in 4K Dolby Vision at 30 FPS, and even a dedicated camera control button for instant access. Missing out on all these means the 16e just can't keep up if photography is your passion. Performance and connectivity. Both phones run on the A18 chip, but here's a twist. The iPhone 16e has a quad-core GPU, while the iPhone 16 boasts a more powerful 5-core GPU. That extra core makes a real difference in gaming and graphic-intensive tasks. On the connectivity front, the iPhone 16e uses Apple's C1 modem and supports Wi-Fi 6, whereas the iPhone 16 is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem and supports the faster Wi-Fi 7 along with enhanced 5G tech. Battery life and charging. Battery performance might seem comparable at first glance, with the iPhone 16e promising up to 26 hours of life, but when it comes to charging, the 16e lags behind, supporting only up to SEP-Key wireless charging. The iPhone 16, on the other hand, not only offers a slightly varied battery life between 22 to 27 hours, but also features a larger 561 mAh battery, supports MagSafe, and delivers lightning-fast wireless charging speeds up to 25 watts with compatible adapters. The bottom line. So is the extra $200 really worth it? If you're tempted by the iPhone 16e because it looks like you're saving money, think again. You're trading away major features like the dynamic island, top-notch screen protection, superior brightness, a broader color range, advanced photography capabilities, better graphics performance, enhanced connectivity, and that coveted MagSafe feature. Sure, the battery life is solid, but in today's competitive market, every detail counts. In our opinion, the iPhone 16e might be a respectable phone, but pricing it at $599 is a misstep. It would be a smart buy if it were around $499. So next time you're swayed by the hype, remember, not everything that glitters is gold. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and it helps keep the content coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy teching, everyone.